Okay, so this is the second installment on this machine. This is a 10x10 Amada model HA250W, serial number 25050042, and we have it hooked up to 230 volts. That's 230. And now you can see we completed the cleaning of the machine. I'm going to change the angle because we are getting a big shadow here. So as you can see, we have put all the covers and the discharge table on there now because we completed the cleaning work on it. Okay, we have now on automatic mode, and it's going to cut repetitively at the same feed length. What length do you put it at, Jordan?
After the first piece, they'll all be 1 inch.
Okay, 1 inch. So you see there it fed the material forward and got ready for the next cut. I'm going to go behind the machine so you can see the movement on the rises on the next cut. So now I am behind the machine, and you saw the back vice open and move back. So it's going to get ready for to push on the next one. So okay, so now it's going to feed. They fed forward. The back vice will open. And it moves back. Get ready for the next feed.
These are the pieces we just cut.
Okay, that's a 1 inch. That's a 1 inch. And that's a 1 inch. So it's repeating pretty good. Did you set it at 2 inch or what did you set it at? Okay, so that it shows the automatic stop. It came to the last piece and it stopped automatically. Okay, so that's the automatic cycle is working. I just wanted to show you now that we have the panel on, what it looks like when it's on. But again, we have a lot of glare here. So now I'm just showing you the pressure gauges, how they're working. That's for devices. So you can see the pressure on one and the other. So that's working. So the one on the right is for the front gauge, for the front vise. Yeah, the one on the left is for the back, and the one on the right is for the front. So that's how they are. It's working.